Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. My name is Cortex Plays. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get $20,000 in 20 minutes in Far Cry 5. But before we even get into that, I need to tell you guys something. There's going to be two perk requirements that you need in order for this to actually happen. One, you're going to need Quiver, which gives you more bow and arrows for your compound bow that you're going to be using in this video. Also, you're going to need King of the Jungle. It's going to be very important. So first thing you want to do, make sure you have a bunch of meat, because it's going to come in handy here in a second. So you need to throw your meat down, and an animal that comes over, I'll show you guys. If I have a shotgun, for example, and I shoot this Wolverine here, it only gives me 2 pel. Now, the reason is for that because you damage the skin of it. But if I have my compound bow out and I shoot an animal, it will give you 4 skin because you don't damage the pelt as much, and it will give you 4 times the money. So basically, see, I got 4 skunk skin there, and well, we got a bunch of enemies happening here. We'll forget about those guys, but we'll get to the next point. So basically, depending on how much damage you do to the animal means the more pelt you get. I think the max amount of pelt you can get is 4. But as you guys can see, before I started cutting this video, I shot this guy with a shotgun. He only gave me 2 skin for the animal thing. So that's practically about it. And as you guys can tell, I've done a lot of hunting off screen. So I got like, let's see, I think I got like $20,000 worth of stuff. That's a lot of animal. That's 20 grand right now. That took me about maybe 23 minutes or something like that. But yeah, that's I try to make this video as quick as possible for you guys because I know you guys are every day. I will be streaming here in a few minutes or so. I just want to get this video up for you guys. Also, I do want to kind of talk about it. My Discord and you guys' overall support on my channel has been booming. I am so damn grateful for it. I can't thank you guys enough for it. Thank you all so much. It means literally the world to me. Big shout out to all Alex, Vincent, David, and Shank Mons, Chris, every single one of them, dude. They're freaking, God bless them. Because of them, it's the reason why I do this, and especially for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you tunes into my videos and supports me. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button. Join the Discord link below. I'll catch you on my next stream. Peace out, Blazers. Cringe.